This is homework set number 29, slope of a line. We'll look at questions 7, 8, 9, and 10. Question 7 says we are to graph the line that has an x-intercept of 4. All right, let's just do that now. The x-intercept is 4. Now the x-intercept is where the line intercepts the x-axis. So that's right here. So it intercepts right here at 4. And then what else? The y-intercept, -2. So the y-intercept is -2 right down here. All right? So there's the line. There's the 2 points on the line. Let's pass a line through those 2 points. So with my straight edge, I'll do the best I can here. Looks pretty good. Now what we want to know is, what is the slope of the line? Well, the slope of the line, remember, is this. The slope is, right, the vertical change over the horizontal. That's supposed to say horizontal and vertical change. Okay, so anyway, what are these? Okay, let's just look at them. Go left to right. Locate yourself right here on that point. Now move to this point here, right? Move to that point, but do it horizontally and vertically. If I move from here, I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right, so it's positive. And then, all right, there's the 4, and then up 2. All right, so up 2. All right, so the slope is 1/2. There we go. Question 8. Find the slope of any line parallel to this line that's through these 2 points. All right, so let's get the slope of this line. Now, I'm going to label. That's the first x I see, the first y I see, the second x I see, the first y I see. So I'm going to write the slope formula. The slope is second y minus first y over second x minus first x. So how about second y minus first y? I'm thinking 1 minus -1, 1 minus -1 over second x minus first x. So it's going to be 5 minus -5. Just be careful with all those negatives. So I get 1 plus 1 over 5 plus 5. So I get 2 over 10, or how about the slope being 1/5? All right, so there's the slope. Now, I want the slope of any line parallel to this. And I know this, that parallel lines have the same slope. And we are asked to find the slope of any line parallel to this line. Well, our line has slope 1/5. Parallel lines have the same slope, so the slope we're looking for is this. Any line parallel to that will have slope 1/5. Question 9. Find the slope of any line perpendicular to the line through these 2 points. All right, so I'm going to get the slope of this line, of the line through these 2 points. I'm going to label. That's the first x I see, the first y I see, the second x I see, the second y I see. So the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the slope is going to be the second y minus the first y. So how about -2 minus -6? Okay, second y minus first y. -2 minus -6 over second x, -1, minus first x. All right, so this is going to be a -1 minus -4. Again, lots of negative signs. So this slope is going to be -2 plus 6 over -1 plus 4. So how about, well, 4 over 3. All right, so that slope is 4/3. Now here's what I know. That perpendicular lines have, this is called negative reciprocal slopes, which just means you need to do this. Negative reciprocal, all right? So first of all, the slope of our perpendicular line, I'll label it down here. Slope of the perpendicular line is going to be the negative, all right, so negative of the reciprocal of this number right here. Now the reciprocal, just flip it over, 3/4. That's the slope we're looking for. That's the slope of any line perpendicular to the line through these 2 points that were given up here at the top. Question 10, find the slope of this line. Now this line to me looks vertical. So I know that vertical lines have undefined slope, or we could say there is no slope. Vertical lines have no slope. Or you could say the slope is undefined. Now, that's vertical lines. This is what it is for vertical lines. Horizontal lines, just in case you want to know, for horizontal lines, all right, that slope, slope is a measure of the steepness. Now, if it's horizontal, there's no steepness here. So if I had to measure it, I would say the slope is 0. That takes care of questions 7, 8, 9, and 10 on homework set 29.